Good morning everyone, it's Thia Hoang. Today I want to show you how to make the celery juice in the blender, okay? First you need to clean them up and chop them. Just cut them like few inches like this. And you just put in the blender. I see the video with some doctors say you don't need to put anything on there. If you want to put ginger, you can do the ginger. But before you clean up the dirt and everything on celery and cut them. After put in here and you just add like a cup of water. You put more if you want to. Don't add too much water because they will thin out. I will add a cup of water. I get some water right here. My refrigerator have some water. Just add like a cup or this is my 1 glass of water. I think if you think it's not enough, you can put more, but I put them in there and put on blender. Sorry, it will be noisy, but just wait 1 minute in the smoothie, okay? In the smoothie will be noisy, okay? See, 1 minute and we're done. And I bought this strainer. I don't want to drink too much the fiber. This is called the nut meal bags. I bought it on Amazon. I will put the link for you. And just clean them and put in here. See? Are you ready? Okay. Let me get the bag and I will be back.